What's up, everybody? This is Mark with Main Street Magic Vacations. Today I'm sailing on the Disney Wish, and I'd like to do a quick stateroom tour of my room 6032. It's an ocean view stateroom with veranda. So when you first walk in, to your left, you'll find your split bathroom. Here we have a sink and a mirror, along with some shelf space here on the left. Just to the right of that, you'll have your toilet. Continuing with the bathroom, in this room you have your bathtub and your shower. Along with another mirror and your sink, some extra shelf space on the right. Underneath you can find some towels. Also on the inside of the door, you'll have a full-length mirror. Just across from the bathrooms when you walk in, you have 3 closets. In the first closet, you'll find 2 robes, along with extra space to hang clothes. In each of these closets, you can find your flotation devices on the top shelf. In the next closet, we've got some more shelving and your in-room safe. And in the final section, we've got a lot of space here to hang clothes. This is a really wide space, so if you need, you can also fit some luggage on the bottom. Moving on to the bedroom, we have a queen bed that's raised, which provides a lot of extra storage space if you need to stow any luggage under the bed. On each side of the bed, there's a nightstand with a lamp, and there's also a reading light. Both of these lights are on a dimmer. You also have 2 USB-A outlets on this side. Each room on the Wish has different theming depending on which stateroom you're in and which deck you're in. This is obviously a frozen room. On the other side, you'll find above your nightstand 2 outlets, a USB-C outlet and 2 USB-A charging ports. We have our sofa that converts into a bed, and that's a nice table that can tuck right underneath the sofa, which saves a lot of space for whenever you're not using it. Here we've got a picture of Anna and Elsa. Here we have a nice area for getting ready or doing some work, whatever you need to do. We've got a lot of shelf space and drawers. You can pull that seat out while you're getting ready, along with, in this drawer, you'll find your blow dryer and a mat for a hot iron. And here's your in-room cooler in this drawer. Your telephone. Let's take a walk out on the veranda. So today we're en route to Nassau in the Bahamas. It's a beautiful view. There's 2 chairs out here and a table to sit and relax as you cruise along the ocean. So there you have it. There's my quick stateroom tour of room 6032 on the Disney Wish. It's an ocean view stateroom with veranda. I hope everybody liked the video. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.